A grinding noise in a Maytag washing machine can be caused by several factors, including overloading. When the wash load exceeds the recommended volume, the basket may not spin freely, resulting in a grinding sound. To fix this, ensure that your hand can move freely among the clothes and check the weight of the clothes against the manual's specifications, removing any excess load as needed. Another potential cause is a clogged pump filter, which can become blocked with debris, lint, or small items. To address this, turn off the washing machine. Locate the pump filter at the front bottom. Remove it, clean it, and reinstall it once it's free of debris. An unleveled washing machine can also produce grinding noises, so it's essential to ensure the machine is level, with its legs standing firmly on flat, solid ground. Adjust the legs if necessary. Additionally, damaged tub bearings can cause annoying thumps, particularly during a cycle, as their function is to enable the inner tub to spin smoothly and quietly. If the bearing is strained, it may need to be replaced. By checking and addressing these potential issues, you can identify and fix the source of the grinding noise in your Maytag washing machine.